Last year, I did a video on the YouTube, not on Facebook here, but on YouTube, about planting blueberry bushes. And so anyhow, I was like, oh, I forgot I did that, so I'm gonna go check them out. With that, here's this one. You can see it's pretty decent sized. I just cleaned up all around it. And then over here is this little itty bitty baby. That's the blueberry bush there. I'm just saying it's a good thing I got this here fence marker, because I'd have never found that. And then, so cruising on over, and this is what I was working with to find the blueberry bushes. That's the reason I got gloves. After about 14 pokes in the fingers from the briars, I give up. That crap hurts. Anyhow, yeah, I'm not sure if there's a blueberry bush in here or not. No, it looks pretty dead. I think that might be it right here. See it? Yeah, that's not a good one. Anyhow, I gotta dig my way out. I'm gonna dig them out, and then we'll get them mulched up, and then these will be set for summer. Maybe not so much this first one here. We'll see what it does. It might come out of it. Don't feel breaky, if that makes sense. Let me see. Anyway, I ain't never grown blueberry bushes before, so this is the first for me. But I mean, you can see this in here has got some green on it. It's not dry and all that there good stuff. I don't know if I prune it or not, because I've never done it before. But I've never, it didn't have blueberries last year. Last year I just planted them. So I guess this is kind of breaky pruning, not a good idea. I better stop. Anyhow, you can tell this plant here is mostly alive. This little itty bitty thing down here, it's good and green, so we know that one's alive. Shoot, it even might have a leaf on it. So, anyhow, we're gonna call it a 50-50 up in here. This one here, I just don't know what I think about it. I mean, that's pretty dead. Look at, yep, that's a pretty dead tree. Or bush, whatever the reasoning, or the, you wanna call it. Yep. So, 1 for sure, 2 maybe, 3 definitely a goner. Ow! Glove bite on. Anyhow, just because I want to see what that felt like. So, that's the update on the blueberry bushes. I didn't do too hot, but there's at least one alive, so I'm going to call it a win. Because, well, that's just what I do as a person. Look for the positive. Even if I just get blueberries from one bush, if that's possible.